Want to control your smart home devices using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how to enable or disable Google Home. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung device. On the main screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open your account menu. From here, select Connected Apps. Inside this section, find Google Home. You'll see a switch next to it. If the switch is gray, it means Google Home is not connected yet. Tap the switch. A new screen will appear with a Connect button. As described here, it can control your smart home appliances, such as lights and switches. Tap Connect to link your Google Home account. Once connected, the switch will turn blue, which means it is now enabled. If the switch is already blue, you can tap it again to disable the feature. The switch will turn gray, and Gemini will no longer control your smart home devices. And that's how to enable or disable Google Home in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.